I just can't get enough. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so hello. This is what you call Tuesday afternoon house attire. Shall I model it for you? This is what it is today. It's the scarf, it's the house dress, yeah, because the hair ain't dead, and it's okay. The hair ain't dead and didn't feel like getting dressed. And I didn't have to because I'm at home. Home sweet home, baby. So anyways, I got some chicken I need to make, and I figured I'd invite you in. Nothing spectacular, just some honey and hot sauce broiled chicken with some herbs and spices. Nothing, just a little something because I haven't been on since the Sunday before last. So just a little something here. And then I have a tossed salad, one of my favorite salads. I think I'm going to do another tangerine. I don't have the shrimps this time, so it's just going to be a tangerine salad with the cranberries, walnuts, all the good stuff in there, raisins. Yeah, this is like just a Tuesday, nothing spectacular. So let's get started, okay? Let's do this. So I have the chicken. Let me see if I can't bring it a little closer. I think that's good. Okay. If I put it on here, can you see it better? No. I'll just leave it up here. Oh, what the heck is going on? I'll just leave it up here. It's real simple. It don't take long. So I just want you to be able to see that real good. Okay, so anyways, we start off with some honey. You don't want to put a whole lot. It's not like you really want it sweet. But you want it sticky. In other words, just a sticky chicken. Like you do sticky wings. These are sticky legs and thighs. Quarters. These are quarters, right? And we're going to put some hot sauce on it. And also, it puts a little crisp on here too. Right? How simple is that? This is so simple. And now that the weather is changing, it's getting hotter, so you don't want to be in the kitchen longer than you have to. And you sure don't want that oven on longer than it needs to be on. And here's some chicken and poultry rub. Like, chicken is poultry, so, And then this is a perfect blend rub with garlic, rosemary, sea salt, onion, and the savory herbs and flavorful spices for chicken or poultry. So let's put some of that on here. This is something new I found in the store. So, and what I'm going to do first, I'm going to bake this chicken first, and then I'm going to put it down in the broiler. Yes, sir. We're going to rub this stuff in, and then we're going to do the other side. This is not coming out like I want it to. Okay, here we go. There we go. Come on. Don't want it too salty, but I want it to be seasoned good. Okay. Let's get to rubbing. You know how you put that love in there, right? Gotta put some love on it. So to that, turn it over. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Rub it in. I hope everybody's Tuesday is good. And I want the rest of your week to be good. And if you ever call one of my numbers, my private numbers, And my regular number 2, I think I have it on. At the end of my message, I always say, try to create yourself a spiritual day. That's for every day, y'all. Try to create yourself a spiritual day every day. Not some of the days, but every day. There's so much going on in the world today, right? And all we need is love. We need more love. This hatred is just too much. It is way too much. So, and then that's all we keep hearing. Is our black men dying at the hands of the police. As if there ain't enough going on with the COVID, right? We got to endure this stuff too. But you know who gonna make a way? Yahweh. Yahweh will make a way, no matter what. No matter what. So stay prayed up. You stay positive. Like Michelle Obama said, when they go low, you go high. Some gonna give. You'll see. You will see. So keep the faith. Stay prayed up. And you gotta keep love in your heart regardless. It may be hard right now, but for some people, or a lot of people, to do it. But that's what the world needs now, is love, sweet love. It's the only thing that is just too little of. Huh? Just too little of. Okay, so we done rubbed it on both sides really good. Right? It's going to be really good too. So I'm going to bake it first, and then we're going to put it in the broiler. I'm going to take these off now, and we're going to put the herbs on here. I have rosemary and thyme that we're going to put on here. And this is how we're going to do this. In our hands, the palms. See that? An even distribution. Huh? And that's it, guys. Oh, I have another piece of thyme over here. Right? And that's it. Pepper to taste. I'm sorry, I forgot the pepper. We don't want to forget that. Even though we have hot sauce, we don't want to forget that pepper to taste though. We don't want to forget it. Okay, this is oven ready now. And I will show you the finished product afterwards. Okay? And remember, every day, try to create a spiritual day. It'll take you a long way. And there are so many things that we can still be thankful for in the midst of all this other stuff. You know? Your day is what you make it to be. Not what somebody else makes it to be. It's what you want it to be. And you want it to be a spiritual day, because it goes a long way. Okay? It goes a long way. I'm going to put this in here for 30 minutes. Then, of course, turn it. Right? And I'll be back when this is done. And I'm going to make the salad prior to this being done. And I'll let you guys see it, okay? Mwah!